Hey guys, it's Jeremiah here with Dad Projects. Today I want to show you a one-year update on some of my projects from last year, my Hügelkultur style raised bed and my hanging planters. First, I'm going to show you a quick clip of what my raised bed looked like around August of last year when I was picking the zucchinis. So I'll show you that and then I'll show you what it looks like now. So this is the clip that I actually took. I'm pretty sure it was August of 2020, and these had been growing for about 4 months, and I had harvested probably 30, maybe 40 zucchinis from here, and they actually got really big. A side note, you should probably harvest them before they get this size. Usually about the size of a cucumber is when they taste the best. But there's only 3 zucchini plants inside this whole container. And in the back on these little stilts I had green beans. They didn't actually grow very well. I only had a handful of green beans on here, so I just didn't do something right with them. But overall, the amount of zucchinis that grew on here was very impressive. And this is what it looks like now. So definitely not supposed to look like this. My dog actually jumped in here and basically destroyed it. I think around October time frame. He dug the entire thing out, and I actually had to put a bunch of the dirt back inside it. Now, one thing that I don't like about this raised bed is that I put it so close to the fence, and then I put it right on the grass. That's actually something that I shouldn't have done. What I should have done is just kind of excavated the whole area out, put some fabric, some landscape fabric down, and maybe some mulch or maybe some gravel to kind of give it a nice defined border. The thing is, it's kind of a pain in the butt to get my weed whacker back here. I can't get my mower back here, so it doesn't look very good too, and it's kind of got some weird staining going on. Overall though, the bed did fantastic while it was producing veggies. So now you saw what my dog did to my raised bed, and that's exactly why my planters, I raised them up on the fence. So let's take a look at that next. All right, this is my hanging planters that I planted, and they held up very nicely. So all of them actually, except for this guy. And this set, I actually made a really big mistake when I made it. I didn't add any wood glue on the joints on this one, and it's the only one that came apart. So I'm actually gonna go ahead, rebuild this one, and probably just add some wood glue. So we'll see how it turns out. And overall, I'm actually very impressed with this. The wood did hold up. Did see like some of these, one of the nails didn't catch all the way, so I added a screw underneath here. I don't know if you can see that, but just a screw on each side to kind of give it a little bit more support. Overall, I'm actually really happy how these turned out. I just planted some of these again, and I'm actually just going to be sticking to herbs, and I've got some chili peppers in here as well. I think last year I did bell peppers, and the bell peppers didn't do so well, but we'll see how the chili peppers do. Overall, I never had any of these kind of blow over. None of the plants blew over or anything. I think that was one of the comments in the videos. And actually, this plant right here is parsley. It is a holdover from last year. Parsley did not die, even during the snow. I left these out here and it never died. So I'm actually really impressed how this turned out. So go ahead, rebuild this little guy, and definitely add some wood glue on it. Alright guys, thanks for watching today. Now, one of the comments on actually my first video, the Hügelkultur style raised bed, someone actually was concerned about too much heat and maybe cooking the roots. That definitely did not happen, especially with that clip with how big those plants were getting. I think that was like in August or September. They were really big, and I probably harvested 30 or 40 zucchinis from that. So don't worry about cooking the roots or anything. It's just there's so much dirt in there, it's going to take a long time to heat up. And if anything, it actually retained some heat, so it definitely grew a little bit better. That's all that I got. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you like my shirt, I know Father's Day is coming up, so check out the link in the description below. You can buy this shirt. It's actually a matching shirt with thunder and lightning for kids, so take a look. Thanks for watching, guys.